Okay, this is so surreal. 2 years is quite a long time. Almost 2 years later, I finally got the call. Bag has been on my wish list for quite a long time now. By the way, if you are a lover of anything luxury related, you made it to the right channel. My name is Nika, and once in a while, I will add bags to my own handbag collection, and that's happening right now in this video. Let's be friends, hit subscribe, and let's get on with this video. The entire process from beginning to end took almost 2 years. Everyone's journey is different, by the way. There could be someone out there that gets offered a bag like without having any purchase history. There could be other people like myself that buy a good amount of stuff before they actually get offered a bag. Okay, this is so surreal. I don't typically spend like this. This is just, it's such a nice little gift to myself. To add some context, by the way, I was offered a couple of Quota bags before I accepted this bag. And I just didn't want to say yes to a bag that I wasn't entirely in love with, even if that meant I would have to wait even longer for the bag that I was looking for. This exact bag was on my wish list. There's a wait list in addition to the wish list. Most often, if a bag is like in a neutral color or in black, and there's just gonna be a waiting list, because if you're asking for a very specific bag, specific color, specific hardware, if I'm already gonna be spending X amount in order to get this bag offer, it sure as heck better be a bag that I really, really want. 2 years is quite a long time. After purchasing an Hermes bag via resale and now purchasing one brand new in store, I highly recommend going the resale route. You actually do end up saving money in the long run. Everyone's journey is different, but based off of how much I spent in order to get this bag offer compared to how much I spent on my Birkin that I bought via resale, it's a significant difference. I'm just throwing that out there. Let's share the color reveal. So this is the clochette and key bag. Oh my God. 2 color reveals going on here. Gold hardware, taupe, which is my favorite neutral color. When I was in the room and he was like unboxing this, oh my God, I was squealing. I was so excited. What could she be? My very first Hermes Quota bag offer. May I introduce you to a Birkin 25 in Cellier stitching. Okay, wait, let me open her up so you can see her in all her glory. I'm like so scared to open this. I requested the color taupe because this is my favorite neutral color at Hermes. It's essentially this beautiful brown taupe, looks incredible with any outfit. I feel like I could style this color with just as much as I could style like a black bag. I also love taupe because taupe has white contrast stitching. Look at the beautiful gold hardware. The reason I am so enamored with this bag is because it is made of Cellier stitching. I put Cellier on my wish list, but I actually thought that Cellier was discontinued for Birkin bags. My essay actually mentioned that potentially in the future, they may actually remove the option for Cellier stitching for Birkin bags, but as of right now, it's considered a myth. She's the size 25. I do have my very first Birkin that I got for myself via resale. That one is a size 30. The size 30, in my opinion, I feel like is more of a day bag. You can throw your laptop in and make it a great everyday day bag. I feel like this one is a little bit easier to wear from day to night. Such a special piece to add to my collection. I'm always curious to know what can fit inside of bags, so I figured I'd also share what can actually fit inside of the Birkin 25. I bought this bag organizer that is specific for the Birkin 25, and I got it in a tube because, you know, I'm gonna add this in here. It's a perfect fit. Let me start throwing things inside of here. I did not realize my phone case is taupe as well. I'd throw in my phone, little lizard Hermes Constance wallet. Please don't come at me for the plastic. I don't know, I can't pull the trigger and take off the plastic. Throw in my sunglasses, hand sanitizer, Lactaid, a couple of lip glosses, a small perfume bottle, a large hand lotion, my compact mirror. I'll add my agenda. I don't think the agenda is gonna fit in here. Okay, yes, it does. If you have all of this packed in here, it's gonna start feeling a little bit heavy. It surprisingly all fits inside. I didn't think that agenda was gonna be able to fit. This is what she looks like on the crook of the arm. Wow, this can surprisingly fit a good amount. Look at that. This is the most I'll bring. That wraps up today's video. Let me know what you guys think of my first Hermes Quota bag unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching and for your support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye guys.